In this video I'll show how to use the snipping tool on Windows 11 to extract a table of data from Desmos and put into an Excel spreadsheet. So here I've got my table. If I go for my snipping tool and click on New, if I now highlight the table in Desmos, there's my snipping tool, and if I look at this button down here, text actions, if I click on that, then I can choose to copy as a table. So having done that, if I now go into my spreadsheet and if I paste that, those numbers now are within the cells, which means I can do things like highlight those numbers. If I wanted to draw a chart, then I have my insert chart option here and a scatter plot, and I've plotted those points.